Best coffee maker for home use. The best coffee makers we've tested are easy to use and brew coffee consistently well. How? Left to right. Cuisinart DCCT20 Touchscreen 14-cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Programmable Burke Cold Brew Coffee Maker PBPBK 5101 and Nespresso Essenza Mini Coffee Maker. For many people, there's no better way to start the day than with a great cup of coffee. But today's coffee makers do far more than brew a pot of joe. Some grind beans, others froth milk for lattes and macchiatos, and a few even brew iced coffee. Consumer Reports experts tested about 150 coffee makers to see which ones are worthy of space on your kitchen counter. For drip coffee makers, we conduct a brew performance test and measure contact time, how long water stays within the sweet spot of 195 degF to 205 degF for brewing. For single-serve pod machines, our engineers evaluate the temperature and size consistency of individual cups of coffee. And for cold brew coffee makers, our engineers assess the ease of cleaning, and taste testers judge each brew. Below are reviews of the best coffee makers we've evaluated that are currently on the market, listed by category and in alphabetical order. The roundup has a number of configurations: drip, pod/self-serve, and cold brew. Learn more about the different types of coffee makers in our coffee maker buying guide, and explore additional options in our complete coffee maker ratings. There, you can search according to price, dimensions, capacity, and other criteria to find the best coffee machine for you and your kitchen. Number 1. Drip Coffee Makers. Cuisinart Coffee on Demand DCC 3000. CR Take. The Cuisinart Coffee on Demand DCC 3000 is a self-serve coffee maker, meaning it forgoes a carafe and allows you to fill a mug straight from its heated reservoir. This machine does well in our tests, and it excels when it comes to brewing performance. Cuisinart self-serve machines have very good predicted reliability, and their owner satisfaction scores in our member surveys are some of the best around. This model comes with a removable reservoir, permanent filter, water filter, cleaning indicator, auto shutoff, programming, and a small batch setting. Number 12. Cuisinart DCCT20 Touchscreen 14-cup Programmable. A traditional drip coffee maker with a modern twist, the Cuisinart DCCT20 offers slick touchscreen controls and makes plenty of coffee for a full house, thanks to its 14-cup glass carafe. This model aces our tests for brewing performance and convenience, and it's better than most when it comes to handling the carafe. It features programming, auto shutoff, a cleaning indicator, a permanent filter, a water filter, brew strength control, and a small batch setting. It's a bit pricey, but for the investment, you can count on an all-around great machine. Number 3. Cuisinart PerfecTemp 14-cup Programmable DCC 3200. If you want a basic, glass carafe drip coffee maker, you can't do much better than the large-volume Cuisinart PerfecTemp 14-cup Programmable DCC 3200. One of the highest-ranking model CR tests, this 14-cup machine earns an excellent rating for brew performance, reflecting optimal brew temperature and coffee intensity. It can be programmed to have fresh coffee waiting when you wake up, and it lets you adjust the brewing strength to make weaker or stronger coffee. Cuisinart drip coffee makers receive a stellar rating for owner satisfaction and a very good score for reliability in CR member survey. Number 4. Programmable Burke Cold Brew Coffee Maker PBPBK 5101. The Programmable Burke Cold Brew Coffee Maker PBPBK 5101 is the most inexpensive manual cold brew model in our ratings and one of the best. This model receives a top-notch rating for convenience. It comes with a glass carafe, and most of its parts are dishwasher safe. It's the only cold brewer in our ratings that calls for a full 24-hour brew time, but you might find the results to be worth the wait. Number 5. Nespresso Essenza Mini. One of the top-rated single-serve machines in our tests, the Nespresso Essenza Mini stands out for speedy brewing and its ability to control the brew volume for different strengths. This compact model is great for the office or anywhere you need to accommodate a variety of tastes. The adjustable drip tray and auto-off function add to its low-maintenance profile. Like other Nespresso models, it requires Nespresso capsules, which the company recycles at no charge. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press hit icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.